and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. We should note that this title slide is a product of fiction. Any resemblance to persons, names, images, places and situations, it's completely confidential and not responding in fact. Any material is used for the needs of the presentation. Thank you. So let's get started. The topic of our presentation is a beauty salon. We want to advertise Lila's beauty salon. Our presentation will be displayed on a screen at an exhibition for beauty services from professionals in the field in Thessaloniki. From the left side outside the design area we have the color with their codes, hex codes, which we will use for our title. We also write the codes in the description, so you can copy them from there or from the screen if you want to practice with us. The first thing that we can do, we can change the color of the background. Right click, format background. We choose fill color, we go to eyedropper and click the first color outside in the design area. We set the transparency to 60% because we want to be lighter orange, and then we go to insert ribbon, choose pictures, this device. We find in which file we have saved the image we want to put, click the image and then click insert. We got the image from Pexels and the SVG icons from Uxwing. We will put the links below in the description to download them from there to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. We see that the dimensions of the image are smaller than our slide, so we adjust the image to our slide. We also see that we have chosen the large size of the image so that it is not blurred. We always pay attention to this. Now, with the image clicked, we drag the mouse first from the left side and then from the right until it meets the borders of our slide. Usually in businesses that accept the public to offer their services, it plays an important role in the presentations that we use as advertising to attract customers to show the space where the services will be provided. The photos we will use must be of good resolution, and the space of the beauty and care services in this case must be neat and clean. Now we are ready to proceed to the next step. In this title slide, we will play with the shape of circles. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose Shapes, click Oval, click in the design area, drag and release it. But if you want to create a symmetrical side, hold down the commands Ctrl and Shift at the same time. And that's it. We have a symmetrical circle. We want to create a large circle that covers the upper left side of the design area. We will give exact dimensions to get the same results. Otherwise, you can fit it by the eye. We go to Shape, Format, Size, Height, we put 30 cm and width we put 30 cm. It's about 11.81 inches if you have inches in your settings. We go down to the zoom, we do zoom out, we set the transparency to help us to see more clear the results. To put the circle in the desired position. There. First we click on the image, then we click Shift with Shift pressed, we click the circle, We go to Shape Format ribbon, Merge Shapes, and we select Subtract. And voila! And the part of the image that we wanted to be removed has been removed. Now we want to remove the lower right part of the image. We create a circle and then remove it. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose Shapes, we choose Oval, click in the design area, drag and release it. Again, we will give exact dimensions to get the same result. Otherwise, you can fit it by eye. Go to Shape Format Size, height 50 cm and width 50 cm too. We want a symmetrical circle. We go to set the transparency to help us with the results. We put the circle in the desired position. First, we choose the image, then with Shift pressed the circle. We go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, Intersect. And this is our result. Let's go to zoom in. Voila! For the human eye, orange is a very warm color. By many, the orange color is characterized as ultra-modern but also expressive, and is a source of optimism and sociability. It is a fact that the beauty salon, apart from the basic care services it offers, is a way of socializing for women as well as men. Now we'll choose the font of our title. We want it to look clear and match the style of our presentation. There are many options. We will choose Arial Rounded Empty Bold. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Home, we choose Arial Rounded Empty Bold, size 50, color eyedropper, the second outside of the design area, and we write the title Lila's Beauty Salon. Our business has a website and we want our title slide to include this information in a discrete way. That's why we'll put it at the bottom of the slide. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose Arial Unicode MS font and size 24, color with eyedropper the first outside the design area, and we write the website's name www.lilabeautysalon.com. For a better understanding of the services, we will place icons in SVG files. We got the icons from Uxwing. As we said before, we will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us, so you can keep practice with us. We prefer SVG files because they expand to any size without losing their resolution. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose Pictures, this device, click the icon, click Insert, and we put it in the desired position. But we can go to Graphics Format, Graphic Fill, eyedropper. To choose the color, click in the second color outside of the design area. Then again we go to Insert, Pictures, this device. We go to the second SVG icon that we want to insert, click the image, the SVG icon, and then click Insert. Go Graphics, Graphic Fill, eyedropper, the second color outside in the design area. We reduce the size and then we put it in the desired position. Now we want the last step is to put a rectangle on top of the slide so that they bind better. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose Shapes, click Rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it from the upper left side to the lower right side. Shape Format, excuse me, Shape Fill, Color, eyedropper, click the first color outside of the design area, shape format, shape outline, no outline. And now we're gonna right click, we choose format shape, we go to transparency and we choose 75%. And now because we want our letters to appear clear, we want to do right click, send to back, send backward. Right click, send back, send backward, right click, send back, send backward, right click, send back, send backward. Now it's time for animation. First, we group the image with the orange rectangle. Click the orange rectangle. With Shift pressed, click the image. Right click with the mouse, group, group. Then we choose image. We go to animations ribbon, excuse me. We choose entrance wheel, effect options, 3 spokes, start with previews, duration 2 as it is. Then we go to the title, entrance zoom, effect options, object as one object as it is, start after previews, duration 1. We go to the website's name, entrance zoom, effect options, object center as one object as it is, start with previews, duration 1. Now we go to the first icon, SVG icon, we go entrance shape, effect options in circle as it is, start after previews, duration 0.75, and icon 2, we choose entrance shape, effect options in circle as it is, start after previews, duration 0.75. And now go down at the slideshow button, We click it to see the result. And that's it. Nice. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!